Hi all, in this video we will continue our topic 2 manufacturing costs. After this video, I hope everyone can understand about what is defined by cost classification, which is we divide to manufacturing costs and non-manufacturing costs. Cost function, we have two of it, manufacturing cost, non-manufacturing cost. Let's see what is manufacturing cost. Manufacturing cost, we have three components of it: direct material, direct labor, manufacturing overhead. Non-manufacturing cost, we have selling expenses and administrative expenses. Let's see what is those elements. Manufacturing cost, we have three components. First, direct material. Direct material atau dalam bahasa Melayu we call it bahan mentah langsung. It means raw material that can be tracked to the finished product. Contohnya, kayu yang digunakan untuk buat our main product, meja. Continue direct labor. Labor cost that incur in convert our raw material into finished product. In bahasa Melayu, buruh langsung ya. It means pekerja yang terlibat secara langsung in convert our raw material to end product. Last, manufacturing overhead. All manufacturing costs except direct material and direct labor. Example, indirect material, indirect labor, or everything that start with the keyword factory. Factory rental, factory utility fee, it all will be classified as manufacturing overhead. Now we go for non-manufacturing costs. Non-manufacturing costs divide to two: selling expenses and administrative expenses. Selling expenses is all the costing that incurs when we want to market our finished product. Example, advertising expenses or commission. Admin expenses are all the admin fee that we need to pay off. Example, director salary, accountant salary, or our clerk salary, we will include as our admin fee. Before we going to the following topic, let's see what is our cost behavior. Cost behavior divide to three: variable cost, fixed cost, and mixed cost. Variable cost is the cost that vary in total direct proportion to the change in the level of unit activity. It means it will follow our unit production. If let's say our unit production increase, the total costing for variable cost will be increased according to unit production. Fixed cost, it will be remain constant no matter changes in the level of activity. Example, depreciation fee. Mixed cost, it means contain both element variable cost and fixed cost. Example, electricity. I hope after this video, everyone can understand what is meant by cost classification, which is manufacturing cost and non-manufacturing cost. And cost behavior, we have three of it: variable, fixed cost, and mixed cost. Thank you.